Okay, guys, so welcome back to today the predictions of BTC. And so looking at it right now, as we can see, Bitcoin seems to be at a trend moving upward, or there is a recession incoming, which is why we always say you have to be looking at potential price movement in the sense. There's going to be another price prediction, but keep in mind this all probability, which is why we are going to be looking at, as we can see here in ADA, there's a crazy bump that I was expecting. Because of this double break of structure, I was expecting price will not be pushing up as much as I thought it would. I did expect a price moving upwards, but this is a lot higher than I thought it was going to go, which we are basically what at Bitcoin. But if you properly see this line, if we take into account everything, it does make sense in terms of the boss method confirmation, because you see past break up, come down, and then fly back upwards. It's exactly what happened. But if you guys will not want to take that into account, and upwards from this point, we'll back. But if you look at it from a more normal point of view, rested coming here to top, you can just about a certain meter and then back up, which is why majority of the time the box method still does stand. But if we take a look at Solana, does not have much other than the double break of structure, which is why we need to take a look at the thing. For sure, just from point of view, as you can see here, we expected a little bit of price movement in the sense where it's going to come up, down, and then fly upward. But instead, in both middle point, it went double BOS, which is a fake out clear, and then in which is clear representation to me was follow, or it would have got sometimes with a flush. This would have been like 10 years there, a big bias, and I would have said all I'm then not always not able to ride any of these trades because it's either a miss setup from the box or clear violation of my bias. It seems still I would say a win, because the ability to stick to it I feel like really helps out a lot more in the long run. Taking a look at Ethereum is basically a lot more in the more sustained, but with a tier being break based on just things. You know why this box is over here, boy. You could reset this one, get rid of both these boxes, and mark out the ones in the top. It looks just like how flies it does stay up top here, and then I'm bound at the bottom here. First bolt upward, came back down, traded inside. If we don't see, this is not a big for and ETH always follows Bitcoin, but in this situation, there were no break of structures. Price move upwards. We're acing, wait, did it break? I'm sure to be getting mad. What was the supply zone, long-term supply zone, you look for it bounce back. We did run into some problem up top, but still found this way to break past the supply zone. So it always does follow Bitcoin, but of course this setup in terms of the box was always different. So in this scenario, Ethereum is actually a better coin to be trading aside from BTCs of the BOS. There's a clear price break came in, tapped even until 95%, me upwards. Second, it's ADA was also the US. There was a price break up top. We expected it to mitigate only until the inside. It's meant a lot lower and then shot all the way up. So if this trade and went 12, you get the up interest. So we can take a look at it. If you guys would you like to see this stuff, and if you rate all the way to the top, which is picture perfect, it's a 50 range right? And it's too simple here. In terms of percentage, yeah, so we're looking at about 28%. 28% more than 20. You guys will need the math explain any range about basically looking at 20. No, I mean, if we look at 20%, which multiply that by 20, it'll basically, they're looking at crazy numbers. You're looking at almost by hints to some days within both specific trades, so that tends to be Bitcoin to then Ethereum and India. So, of course, I hope you guys who enjoyed this video and to see you in the next one. So, stay tuned, wait and subscribe, of course, if you did anything.